Hello everyone, here a linear equation problem we are going to solve. So 4 times a certain two-digit number is 7 times the number obtained on interchanging its digit. If the difference between the digit is 4, find the number. So I can split this problem into two statements. So each statement I'm going to make some equation so that it will be easy to solve. So the first equation is what now? 4 times a certain two-digit number is 7 times that the number obtained on interchanging its digit. So they are talking about some two-digit number. So can I write it as xy? It's a two-digit number, right? And what they told, 4 times of this is equal to 7 times by interchanging its digit. What is the meaning of interchanging? Ones is going to come for the 10th place and 10th place is going to come for the ones digit. So can I rewrite this like this now? Yes. But we cannot proceed with this because xy is not going to give you the value. See, for example, we have something called 42. So what is the value of 42? How this 42 actually obtained? So 40 plus 2 only 42, right? How this 40 came? Actually here 4 is there, but how 40 came? In our very lower classes we have studied, right? This number is having two ones and four tens. So how can we represent 4 10 and two ones? This as 4 into 10 and the two ones as 2 into 1 we have written, right, in our smaller classes. Then only it become 40 plus 2. The same we are going to follow over here, because when we are talking about the value, it's very important to include the place values. So how can I represent xy as a value? So I can write this as 10x plus y, right? And the same way, how can we represent yx as a value? So yx is nothing but 10y plus x. Okay, you understood. The same thing only we are going to substitute at this point. Why? Because we are dealing with the value of the two-digit number. So it is must to include the place values. So now we can write this as 4 into 10x plus y. Then only it will be doing some problem with the values. Otherwise we can't solve this. So 7 into 10y plus x. So this is the proper way of writing any unknown number, right? Yes. So now we are going to solve this. So what we will get, 40x plus, what we will do, we are going to multiply this 4 with each term, right, along with the sign, and 4y equal to 70y plus 7x. So move all the x and y on the other side. So I can keep here 40x plus 4y. I'm just going to move the RHS to the LHS. So it will become minus 70y and minus 7x equal to 0. So what we will be getting over here, or else we can leave this as such. So just make it as equation 1, because we will go for the second statement. So what is there in the second statement? The difference between the digit is 4. So whenever they are talking about digits, do not take the place value. It is only the digits. Okay. So what are the digits involved in a two-digit number? X and y. So they are saying in the second statement that the difference between the digits as 4, x minus y equal to 4. So this is what our second equation. So from this, can we find what is y equal to, or anything x equal to also you can find. So here I am going to find what is y equal to. Y equal to x minus 4, right? So just mark this one and make it as 3. Now I am going to substitute this third one, that means the y value. I am going to substitute 3 in 1. So in the first equation, wherever y is available, we are going to replace that by x minus 4. So at last what we are making? We are making an equation with one variable, so it is easy to solve. So can we write this equation 1 with respect to x? That means wherever y is there, we will substitute with x minus 4. Yes, 40x, 4 into x minus 4 minus 70 into x minus 4 minus 7x equal to 0. So this is actually x minus 4. Yeah, so now we will simplify this. 40x plus, so this 4 you have to multiply for both. So this is going to be 4x minus 16 minus 70x plus 280 minus 7x equal to 0. Still we are going to simplify. So here 40x plus 4x will become 44x, and here minus 70 minus 7 is going to become minus 77x, and still we have minus 16 and 280. If we subtract 280 and 16, what we will get? Just we will check it. So it's going to be 4, and this is 6, 264 we will get. So it's going to be 264 equal to 0. So what is 44 minus 77? It is minus 33x, and this 264 we can move this to the RHS, so it will become minus 264. So now we can cancel x equal to minus 264 by minus 33. So both minus and minus will get cancelled, and this can be going in 3 tables. So I can cancel using the 3 tables. So it's going to be 3 8s are 24, again 3 8s are. So now in 11 table, 11 ones are, it is 8. So what we got the x value as x equal to 8. So now we are going to frame that a number. What is actually our number? It is xy, right? In that we got x as 8. Then what about y? So we need to come back to the relation, that means the equation 3, right? In this equation 3 we made a relation between y and x. If we know x value, we can find the y value. So we know x value is 8, so 8 minus 4, so that y is equal to 4 we are getting. So as a number, how we will write? Xy, right? So it is 84. So what is the answer for this question? The 2-digit number is 84. This is what is solution. Hope you understood. Thank you.